So, my friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're talking about Algorand. It had been in an extreme bull run just a few weeks ago. We saw prices just over 60 cents, but since then it has definitely gone down quite a bit, and we've seen a dump here from 64 cents or almost 65% at one point. In the meantime, the price has at least stabilized a bit. Whether this is now a buying opportunity or not, we'll definitely take a look at that in today's update video, as well as what my price forecast is and especially what my plan is for the next weeks and months. You'll definitely find out in today's update video, so make sure to stick around until the end. Before we start, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And of course, feel free to rejoin the free Telegram chat and Signal group. If you're interested in updates, news and signals, come on in. You'll find a link to that for free down in the video description. If you want to buy, stake, or do anything else with Algorand, you can do that at my partner exchange Bingex. You will also find the link below in the video description, comment section, and at the moment there is a cool deposit event. If you register there, just sign up for this promotion. Yes, Algorand 23 cents. Unlike Bitcoin, we still have a very, very interesting range here. A very volatile range. If we look at the last few days, we had this wick here from the 25th February, which thankfully has now been filled, and it was filled in a very humane and slow manner, and that's what we want to see. When a wig has formed, we don't want to fill that wig again with a new wig right away, because there are always stop losses underneath. And that was really exemplary here with Algorand. Then there was the announcement with Trump and such that certain coins are supposed to be bought back into the state reserve. As a result, Algorand pumped quite a bit. But this movement has now been nullified again, and we are still in the range. Is this currently a buying zone? It's at least a smaller accumulation zone that you might be able to use. The next one, but also the biggest in my opinion, the most important one, is down here at around $18. We still have an inefficiency here that goes down to about $16. The market, Imoens, Nen, Bommy should actually still pick that up, especially since Bitcoin is currently at $84,000. And we assume that 70 to 74K, say, is still possible for Bitcoin, which means that another 10% dump is probably factored in here. We can also assume that Algorand could drop here by another 23 to 30%, which isn't unlikely. You might remember some comments under the last Algorand video where I said, yes, we will probably see the golden pocket here sooner or later. We even fell to the 0.786 level. A 65% correction is something no one saw coming. Now, it's time. That means as long as we are definitely still in this downtrend, it could be a good accumulation shot here. Possibly to take the first small steps and then the second step down here. Looking between $18 and $16, the third and final buying zone would really be in a bear market, and that would be down here at $10 to $8. But for now, at least based on the current situation, I'm not assuming that. We can only talk about that if Bitcoin really loses the 70,000 as support and we should fall towards $48,000. These are all just possibilities, but we're talking about DCA zones or long-term entry opportunities here. And that's where these opportunities with Algorand are currently available. So how do I proceed from here? You've already seen the other videos, or rather how my strategy works. After 100%, I will take my investment out. So if we were to enter here at 23 cents and then go up to 46 cents, I will take my investment out. Second target zone, we'll adjust that a bit. And that would be the zone up here at around 60 US cents, where we last experienced resistance. I would also like to take out 50% before that, and then leave 50% in case we experience a complete exaggeration. That would mean we are heading towards the 0.5 level, or go into the golden pocket between 1.53 and 1.96. Those are my, let's say, pessimistic ones, or for some also euphoric price targets. In my opinion, a 5 to 10x is still possible in the best case. But personally, I don't expect that, so I want to secure myself beforehand, getting out after a 100% investment, then another 50 at 60 cents, and the rest somewhere between 1.53 and 196. And that doesn't mean that we have to go up here. This is just a fibbox, which has been used by other Bitcoins. It will show whether Algorand really plays such a big role in the new US government or not. Feel free to share your opinion down below. Otherwise, I would say that's it for today's update video. Like, leave it, subscribe. Leave it, and feel free to check out my partner Bingex. And that's it from me. I wish you all a nice day. Until then, ciao ciao, and as always, stay crazy.